In this video, I'll show you how to use Kajabi to sell courses and memberships so you can grow your online business with ease. Step 1. Create your course or membership. Inside Kajabi, go to Products and choose whether you want to launch a course, membership, or coaching program. Upload your videos, lessons, and resources. Step 2. Build your sales page. Use Kajabi's page builder to design a professional sales page with your price and testimonials and a strong call to action. Step 3. Set up pricing and checkout. You can offer one-time payment subscriptions or payment plans. Kajabi also supports upsells and order bumps to maximize sales. Step 4. Automate your marketing. Kajabi's email campaigns let you nurture leads, onboard new students, and keep members engaged. Step 5. Track results. With Kajabi's analytics, you'll see signups, conversions, and revenue so you can optimize your strategy. That's how you use Kajabi to sell courses and memberships successfully. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.